Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for homemade donuts as part of our bread baking series. And this recipe is actually one that's been in my family for as long as I can remember. I remember my dad making these when I was a kid, so I hope that they turn out as well as his did. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of warm water, 1/3 cup or 70 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of hot milk, 2 tablespoons shortening, aka vegetable fat, 1/2 cup or 125 grams of mashed potatoes. Yes, really mashed potatoes. Either boil normal potatoes and mash them as smooth as you can get them. You can add a bit of milk to get consistency, or make instant mashed potatoes according to directions, leaving out the butter and salt and pepper. 1 egg, 1½ teaspoons salt, 4 to 5 cups or 500 to 625 grams of flour, powdered sugar and milk for the glaze. Add yeast and a tablespoon of sugar to the warm water. My youngest decided to help me today, so I'm cross-listing this on Baking with Children, which I haven't done in a while. So thank you, Natalie, for the help. Then I heated the milk in the microwave until it is hot to the touch. Then I add the shortening to it and stir until it completely melts. Then add the milk mixture to a large mixing bowl. Add the salt, sugar, mashed potatoes, egg, and yeast mixture. Stir until combined. Slowly stir in the flour. Continue to add flour until the dough is no longer sticky. Kneading in the rest of the flour when you can no longer stir. Knead for a couple minutes. Cover with a cloth and allow to rise for an hour or until it doubled in size. Punch down the dough and roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick. Use 2 sizes of circle cutters to cut out the donut shapes. My dad used a bowl and an egg cup, so feel free to use whatever you have at hand. Then allow to rise another half an hour before you cook them. Heat about 1/2 liter or 2 cups of oil in a small saucepan over the stove at about medium-high heat. I used a setting of 7 out of 9. Then, in a bowl or plate, combine powdered sugar and a tablespoon at a time of milk until the glaze is thin. Place the risen donuts into the hot oil and deep fry on both sides until golden brown. Remove from the oil using a sieve or slotted spoon and place directly into the glaze. Cover on both sides with glaze and remove with a fork and place it on baking paper to cool completely. This can get a bit messy. These donuts are amazing. When they're fresh, they rival Krispy Kreme. Very fluffy, and the glaze adds a delicate sweetness. It's very delicious. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.